This is LaGrange, Kentucky, by the way. That train is going right down the middle of Main Street. I just didn't have enough time to get there. Usually I can get there and park and get to filming. Didn't happen today. There's an internet camera 24/7 you can find for LaGrange, Kentucky. Watch these trains. I don't know the name of the exact website. Google is your best friend, it'll tell you. And right around the corner to the left where the train's going is a nice like train museum train. They have an overlook you can get up and look at. It's pretty nice. This train is going northeast towards Lexington area. Okay, it's done. Bye. I got to drive.